Forgeries are not a modern invention. They go back much further in history. Fragments of papyrus preserved in Leiden, Netherlands, and Stockholm, Sweden, offer a clear example. Writing in Greek around the 3rd or 4th century in Egypt record chemical recipes for alterating materials. The Leiden Papyrus X contains 111 recipes, focused on metals. They explain how to combine them, purify them, change the look of their surface. And the Stockholm Papyrus contains 154 recipes, focused on stone, pearls, and textile, and they explain how to clean them, to alter them, to imitate them. Taken together, they describe a consistent practice. Materials could be made to resemble something more valuable. Centuries later, the same principle appeared under different conditions. In the 19th century, the study of ancient Egypt expanded rapidly, along with the demand for antiquities. Excavations brought large numbers of objects into circulation. Some pieces were genuine, others assembled, adapted, or produced to meet expectations. What mattered was not the content, but the appearance. So workshops copied familiar texts and trade materials to resemble age. The distinction between what was original and what was produced became difficult to verify, and papyrus and other objects began to move to the market, reaching traveler collectors and institutions across Europe. Among the most recognizable and frequently forged papyrus from ancient Egypt are those known as the Book of Death. These are funeral documents placed in tombs and associated with the journey into the afterlife. They do not follow a single composition. Instead, they are built from a set of recurrent elements, with only minor variation. In this context, the boundary between what was uniquely created and was reproduced becomes less distinctive. Across different periods, papyrus carried value beyond what was written on it, and in the end, what mattered most was not the text, but how the material looked.